Oh, g'day. Welcome back to the Axis of Epic, where we answer your electric biking question. Today is a question from Rutger, who, I won't go into the details, but he wants an electric bike and he's got a budget of $2,000 or under. He's been doing a bit of research and is a bit concerned about buying something online. He's been to a few electric bike shops and normal bike shops and found it a bit intimidating because they're always trying to push him towards something that costs, $3,000 or $4,000. It's not within his budget. So today we're going to look at what you can get for under $2,000. Let's start with the Rilu folding bike, the Hue F7T. Very compact, 10 amp battery, folds quite small, very nice. We're going to be having a look at a few folding bikes today, and some city bikes, step-through bikes, all sorts. Next is the Antebike. A bit of a personal favourite of me with the 15.6 amp battery, super fat wheels. It's a folder. It's kind of you go anywhere type arrangement. And at $19.90, this will get you around in a timely manner like nothing else. Okay, next let's have a look at the another Rilu bike, the e-Glider 7. Perfect little city bike for the smaller person. It's quite a small frame, front motor, 10 amp battery, throttle, legal throttle, so very popular amongst the inner city crowd or those that like to get around in a timely manner on a smaller bike. Next, let's have a look at the Smartmotion, the Vista. So here we've got the front motor, 3-speed Nexus gears at the back, 10 amp battery, folding, very compact, $18.90. You could do a lot worse for this sort of bike. Now, Rutger didn't specify if he wanted a folding bike or not, so we're just going to go through all the ones between $1,500 and $2,000. This one is the Rilu Bolt 7. As you can see, it's fully decked out with the mud guards, the lights, the pack rack. Perfect for the commuter. We actually sold one of these to a food delivery guy who lives in Glen Waverley. He rides into town, rides around for about 65 k's, then rides home delivering food, and yeah, it performs very, very well for him. Well worth considering the Rilu Bolt 7 if you're into touring, commuting, all that sort of stuff. Now, down here at the Electric Bike Superstore, we also put kits on ordinary bikes, and here's an example of that. So it's a beautiful Melbourne sort of urban hipster bike. We put a 250 watt mid-drive kit on it, and it's got a 9 amp battery. But if you were to buy this bike as is, you're looking at $1,590, so well within the range of Rutger. We have something with a little bit more punch. Yeah, so this is a 48 volt 500 watt system, so if you want to go a little bit faster and if you live in a very hilly area, I'd definitely recommend this. This entire bike, as you see it, is $19.90, so well within budget. There's a few more out the front, so as we make our way out there, I will say that all these bikes have full warranty and 2 services included in every bike when you purchase from the Electric Bike Superstore. We do repair all brands, all other people's bikes, and yeah, so come on down and check it out. Just on the way through, I've just noticed another bike, the Ordica Neo. Choice magazine pretty much jizzed themselves over this. I think they gave it a 93 ranking. Yeah, so but still within budget. So yeah, so it just goes to show you can get a very good bike for under $2,000. There's a few more out the front. We're coming up to a mid-drive, so mid-drives tend to be a little bit more expensive. But here we've got the Ordica Pro, a very handsome bike. It also comes in white. It's got the mid-drive, Nexus 7, 13 amp battery. At $19.90, you'd be pretty hard pressed to find a better value mid-drive electric bike. Just below we have the Rilu City Flash. Again, quite a large, handsome bike, front wheel, Nexus 7 gears. If you'd like to know more about these bikes, check the specs on the website, electricbikesuperstore.com.au. Now, we do have a vast array of bikes, and we've got more bikes under the $2,000 mark, but today we're concentrating on between $1,500 and $2,000. So, if you'd like to test ride any of these, come on down to Melbourne's home of electric bikes, the Electric Bike Superstore. We're just down at 847 Dandenong Road, Melbourne East. If you're not getting satisfaction from other electric bike shops or just normal bike shops, it's fine, just shop around. And if you want to buy online, okay, but what I always say, if you can't ride it, don't buy it. Alright, Gordy signing off from the Electric Bike Superstore for the Axis of Epic, answering your electric bike questions. Until next time, stay epic!